Hey everyone, do you ever feel like your diesel engine just isn't what it used to be? Or maybe you've noticed you're spending more on fuel, or getting hit with expensive repairs you didn't see coming? Here's the real deal. A lot of diesel drivers are slowly wrecking their engines just by making some really common mistakes, without having a clue. Welcome to Wheel Vista. Today, I'm counting down the 7 driving habits that might be destroying your diesel engine right now. Some of these are so easy to do, but trust me, they can lead to serious problems down the road. If you drive a diesel or want to keep your engine running like new, you need to watch this. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and smash that bell so you always get the latest tips on cars and engines. Alright, let's jump into number 7, ignoring warm-up time. Picture this, it's a chilly morning and you're in a hurry. You hop into your diesel, turn the key, and hit the road in seconds. Sounds familiar? Well, that quick start could be putting your engine at serious risk. Here's the thing. Diesel engines are tough, but when you start them cold, the oil inside is thick and hasn't spread to all the moving parts yet. That means things like pistons and turbochargers are working hard without proper protection. Imagine running a marathon without warming up your muscles. That's what your engine feels like if you skip the warm-up. Even worse, if you rev the engine or speed off right away, you're forcing cold, dry metal parts to work overtime. Over time, this can lead to big problems, like worn-out bearings or even major engine damage. That's not just a headache, it's a really expensive one. So what's the smart move here? Give your diesel engine a little love. After you start it, let it idle for about 30 to 60 seconds, especially when it's cold outside. This short wait lets the oil move around and all the important parts get ready for action. It might feel like a small step, but trust me, this simple habit can save you thousands of dollars and keep your engine running smooth for years to come. Stick around because next up is mistake number 6, and it's something almost every driver is guilty of at some point. Alright, moving on to mistake number 6. This is a big one, and honestly a lot of people are guilty of it without even realizing. So what is it? It's running your diesel engine with low fuel over and over again. Now you might think, hey, I'll just fill up tomorrow, or I can stretch this tank a little further. But here's why that's actually a bad idea. Diesel isn't just about making your car move. The fuel itself actually helps cool and lubricate some of the most important parts of your engine, especially the high-pressure fuel pump and the injectors. When your fuel gets low, there's less of that cooling and lubricating action happening. Instead, your system starts sucking in more air, and maybe even dirt or debris from the very bottom of your tank. That's basically like your engine taking a big gulp of dirty warm water when it needs a refreshing cold drink. What can this do? Well, running on empty can cause your engine to overheat, wear out those expensive fuel injectors way too fast, and even lead to rough starts, power loss, or worst of all, a massive repair bill that totally ruins your day. So, what's the smart move here? Make it a habit to keep your fuel tank at least a quarter full. Don't wait until the warning light comes on. Trust me, your diesel will thank you. And you'll definitely thank yourself for dodging those costly repairs down the road. Stick around because mistake number 5 is up next, and it's one that could be hurting your engine every single day without you even knowing it. Alright, mistake number 5. This one's a classic and I see it all the time. It's all about hitting the gas hard when your engine is cold. Picture this. You jump in your car, start it up, and you're in a rush. So you floor it right away. Feels good, right? But here's the catch. Your engine isn't ready for that. When the engine is cold, all the parts inside are tight, the oil is thick, and your turbo is still waking up. Pushing hard now is like sprinting out of bed without stretching. Ouch! Doing this wears out your pistons, crankshaft, and turbo way faster than you think. It might seem fine for now, but trust me, this habit can lead to some expensive problems down the road. So, what should you do instead? Take it easy. For the first 5 to 10 minutes, drive gently. Don't rev up too high or slam the accelerator. Let the engine warm up slowly, and only then should you go full throttle. Seriously, your engine and your wallet will thank you for it. Alright, mistake number 4. This one's a biggie that's way too easy to overlook. Skipping oil changes. Here's the deal. Diesel engines make more grime and muck than petrol engines. That dirty stuff ends up in your oil, turning it thick and gritty. Imagine trying to run your engine with sand in the mix. Not good, right? That old oil wears out engine parts, clogs up the system, and can even wreck your turbo. So how often should you swap it out? Super easy. Just follow what your car manual says, which is usually every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. But if you tow heavy loads, idle a lot, or do lots of short trips, play it safe. Change your oil even sooner. And don't just grab any oil off the shelf. Always pick high-quality oil made for diesels. Look for labels like ACA C3 or C4. Trust me, taking a few minutes for an oil change now can save you a ton of cash and headaches later. Stick around because mistake number 3 is coming up next. This one's a sneaky engine killer that a lot of drivers never even think about. Alright, mistake number 3. This one catches a lot of people out, using the wrong oil or fuel in your diesel. Listen, not all oils or fuels are the same, and your diesel engine is picky. If you grab the wrong oil, like something meant for petrol engines, you're not giving your engine the protection it needs. Over time, that can mean more wear, more grime, and even big repair bills. And don't even think about using cheap or dirty fuel. Bad fuel can block your injectors, mess up the DPF, or even set off warning lights on your dash. That's a nightmare nobody wants. So what should you do? It's simple. Always check your car's manual before buying oil and stick with the good stuff that's made for diesels. Only fill up with clean diesel from places you trust. No cutting corners at shady, no-name gas stations. Saving a bit of money on cheap oil or fuel might sound good, but it can end up costing you way more in repairs. Take care of your engine and it'll take care of you. Now, on to mistake number 2. This one's about the way you drive every day, and it could be hurting your diesel without you even realizing. Alright, here's mistake number 2, and trust me, this one ruins more diesel engines than you think, only driving short trips. Listen, diesel engines love long drives. They're built to stretch their legs on the open road, not just run to the shops and back. If you're always doing quick stop-and-go trips, your engine never gets hot enough. That means all the nasty stuff like soot and carbon starts building up inside. And the worst part? Your diesel particulate filter, or DPF, gets clogged and can even fail. Fixing that is seriously expensive. So what's the best move? Easy. Once a week, get your car on the motorway and go for a nice, steady 20-30 minute cruise. Keep it smooth, keep your speed up, and let your engine do what it was made for. Think of it as a workout for your diesel. It keeps everything clean and running strong. Alright, mistake number 1, and this is the big one. Don't switch off your engine right after a tough drive. Picture this. You've just been flying down the motorway, or maybe you've been hauling something heavy. Your turbo is blazing hot. If you turn off the engine straight away, the oil stops moving and that super hot turbo starts cooking the leftover oil inside. Yuck! This turns oil into sludge, blocks things up, and can totally destroy your turbo. And guess what? A new turbo can set you back anywhere from 800 pounds to 2,000 pounds. Ouch! So what's the smart move? After a long or hard drive, let your engine idle for just a minute or two. That gives the turbo time to cool off properly and keeps everything running smooth. It's a quick habit, but it can save you from a massive repair bill down the road. Alright, that's it. Those are the 7 mistakes a lot of diesel drivers make without even realizing it. And trust me, these bad habits can mess up your engine over time. Let's do a super quick recap. Number 7. Not letting your engine warm up. Number 6. Running on low fuel. Number 5. Flooring it when your engine's still cold. Number 4. Skipping oil changes. Number 3. Using the wrong oil or fuel. Number 2. Only doing short trips. Number 1. Not letting your turbo cool down. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe to Wheel Vista, and share it with a friend who drives a diesel. Seriously, you could save someone a ton of money. And hey, be honest. How many of these mistakes have you made? Drop your answer in the comments. We've all done at least one. Drive safe, drive smart, and I'll catch you in the next video.